Hi! In front of me is NOKIA C12 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on Connected Devices. Then choose Connection Preferences and tap on Printing. Following that, just click on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, just click on this switcher. Go back, choose Add Service and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Then just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!